welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Quinn and I'm moving out. I'm moving out for the first time ever. Anyways, I would tell you guys all about it in another video, but for this video I wanted to share with you my process. I've been apartment hunting in downtown Chicago for the past couple of weeks, and I just want to share with you some of the apartments. I only strictly looked at studios because that's where I want to move in. So I didn't even try looking at like bigger places, only tour studios. So I want to share with you my apartment hunting process. This is like my first time moving out, so I'm like very excited. First time apartment hunting. So if you guys are interested, that's what I'm gonna be talking about in today's video. And then just heads up, my next couple of videos, I'm doing a new series. I'm going to be vlogging a little bit, doing more like apartment moving out type of videos. So if you guys are interested in that, subscribe so then you can follow me along on my journey. It's more so I can like document my life and my new chapter and my journey, and then have something to look back, but also create content for you to see as well. And hopefully some of this you can find it helpful if you're looking for an apartment in Chicago, or you're just curious to see what some of the studio apartment in Chicago looks like in different like neighborhoods. So I'm currently not living in Chicago right now. I know I always say Chicago. It's because I want to protect my family's privacy. I don't want to give away our location, so that's the reason why. But I am moving into the city now, so I can kind of give you a little bit more information because it's gonna be my place. Okay, so let's start with the first place that I toured. So for this first apartment, I went and toured in Gold Coast. It's very small. I knew that I wouldn't like this apartment, but I just wanted to just go tour and see the vibe, just have something for me to compare to other places. So here you can see the room is really tiny. I think it's about like 300 something square feet. It's super small. There is a pool, but it's very small. And then the workout area was like small. And then there is no in-unit washer and dryer. And in-unit washer and dryer is something that is a must for me, like a must, because I do have a washer and dryer here on the same floor. Stay on the second floor, and it's like right outside my room, and that is just a must. And then looking out this window here is the north facing window, and then you can see here a little kitchen, but it's like very small, super tiny. Next apartment was in South Loop, and this one was the one that I was so set on. Okay, so I'm gonna just go through all these apartments without telling you which one I picked, and maybe you can comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite or which one you think I went with. All of these apartments, they have like amenities like pool, gym, and stuff like that. Okay, so the next one is South Loop. This one is 400 square feet. Parking was like $275 a month, which is pretty pricey. It has a very nice lobby. I love that the studio has a coat closet at the entrance because, you know, winter in Chicago, you just want to come in and take out your wet, dirty jacket and put it into the coat closet right away and not like stuff it into your clean closet. So I really like that. In-unit washer and dryer. You can see the outside of this like floor-to-ceiling window. I really like floor-to-ceiling windows. So this unit was really nice, but it's kind of small. The view is not great because you're looking out at a brick window, and it's a north facing window, meaning it will not get that much light. The amenities here are so nice. You can see from this window, and it started snowing. It looks so pretty. I love these like circle swings. There's the outdoor pool. There's a hot tub. Really like the frameless glass surrounding the pool. And you can get like a really nice city view from here. There's like grilling areas. And there's like private rooms for calls, so it's good if you work from home, so you can take like business call and you don't have to always work inside your studio. You can come into this area and work out here. There's a weight room, there's a cardio room. What's good about this apartment is it is right across from Trader Joe's. Literally, Trader Joe's is right across the street, so you will walk like 1 minute to get your food. So that's why I like love this place. It's very modern, very clean. There's also a lot of like young people living there. It's near Chinatown. I love Chinese food, so it was a really good place. The only complaint is that the studio was so small. So next location, River North. This building, brand new, brand freaking new. It was built in July of 2021, so literally a couple months ago. So it's brand new. As you walk into the studio, it smells like new paint, new house. It was so nice. It's 400 square feet, just like the one that we saw earlier from South Loop. They have like the exposed cement wall, so it's really good for noise and stuff like that. It has huge cabinets, in-unit washer and dryer. I love the floor-to-ceiling window. It's so nice. I tore this one at night so you can see all the city lights. And did I say it's brand new? I would be like the first one to live in this unit. The view here is from the 14th floor. All the units I have mentioned so far has the electric stove. Okay, so unit very small, very nice city view, at least from at night from where I'm looking at now. Smell of like new units is just amazing. The studio is small, but the amenities are amazing. Huge workout space, and there's like private rooms for like calls, taking meetings, work from home. I think this building was literally made for people who work from home full-time, and it's made to be very collaborative and inclusive, and like they're trying to build a community here with just young working adults or whatever. That's like the vibe that I got from this place. So there's a weight room with Lululemon mirror, so you'll get a subscription for the Lululemon mirror that you can, you know, download or have on your phone, and you can do the same workout inside your room. They have a cardio room. They have a pool, you can see here. They have tons of cabanas on the side. They have a 1 gig Wi-Fi that's free, so you won't even have to pay for Wi-Fi for your studio because it's free. And 1 gig is like the fastest Wi-Fi. They have that throughout the whole building. And then you can rent out this room for $100 to host like private events. I love this like outdoor space. So there's like some more air. You can get some ventilation in when you're having too much people partying inside the room. There's like a kitchen, there's a TV. Since it's so new, they're trying to like build a community here. So it's gonna be whatever you make of it. That's fun. And then this room here, it's a library. I think they're planning to make it into an appliance. You can rent out appliances like a Dyson vacuum cleaner, a KitchenAid blender and stuff like that, and then just kind of return it back and then not have to keep it into your tiny studio. I think that's cool. And then this is my favorite room, the craft room. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I was like, I will need a craft room when I live in a house. I will have to have like a craft room. This craft room is so amazing. Like what? What's a craft room? Who thought of this? So good. A lot of buildings, they have like Thai dry cleaner. Very typical in like luxury apartments to have these type of things. The next one is back in South Loop again. I really wanted to stay near South Loop just because I love eating in Chinatown and just want to be closer to Chinatown. That's basically my reason why I want to be close to South Loop. And it's a little bit, you would think it's a little bit cheaper, but parking is pretty hard to get and kind of expensive. This unit has a gas stove, which is awesome. I love a gas stove. I feel like they're better than the electric stove, even though I don't really cook, so it shouldn't really matter, but I want to learn how to cook. So anyways, love that there is a gas stove. This building is basically like 2 buildings, one on each side, and the middle part is like the pool and like the amenities and the grill. Here they have like a lounge area, a pool table, gaming area. There's like a fire pit, which I really like. I love like having a fire pit running and hanging out at night in the summertime. So this next place is in River North. It is a studio, 478 square feet, in-unit washer and dryer. There's only one closet, but there's like these hangers built in on the wall that you can put your coats on. Gas stove, so love that. I know I tried. And here's kind of like the hangout area where you can like watch like movies or something with your friends. And there's like outdoor grills. Here's a chef's kitchen, so you can make food and make things and, you know, bring in catering and then eat here. And if you want to rent out this place, it is like $200 an hour. If not, then it's like a shared space. There's the fire pit outside, but you can't really see it from my video. There's like this arcade room, pool table, huge pool, very big, with a hot tub and cabanas. And then there's like a weight room, and then there's a cardio room with Pelotons. I've never tried a Peloton before. They have this like golf simulator room downstairs. So you're gonna sit here and just kind of hang out and like play golf or whatever. So with that, I'm just gonna wrap up my video there. Comment down below, let me know which apartment you think I went with, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of video. Hopefully you find something helpful. Hopefully it's just interesting to watch. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Click the post notification bell to get notified when I post next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.